Stainless steel fridge freezer. Traditionally, a stainless steel fridge freezer is known for and regarded as a piece of equipment used by professionals in the field of culinary, or in other words, chefs. This type of fridge is also associated and linked as a device used only by restaurants and other food-related business institutions during the past few years. In spite of this, these days, this type of idea has recently vanished primarily because increasingly more and more people are deciding and purchasing stainless steel fridge freezer and setting it up into their own households. Many consumers and families find the stainless steel fridge freezer a stylish and elegant piece of equipment which can also enhance the motif of their kitchen. If you want to know more about this, visit www.stainlesssteelfridgefreezer.net. Thank you.